Hi. A significant number of our patients are headache sufferers, and a lot of headache sufferers have a neck problem, perhaps most. Migraine sufferers, cervicogenic headaches, meaning the origin of the headache comes from the neck, and we have to deal with the alignment and balance of the neck and the joints in the neck and the soft tissues of the neck. But there's also another component that's really interesting and very common, and that is a jaw problem. Interestingly, a lot of people don't know they have a jaw problem. So when we examine their neck, we say, open and close your mouth. We actually can hear across the room, snap, click. And people say, I didn't notice that before, but they've had it all their life. Other people are aware they click, and other people have no clicking, no obvious sound, but they're grinders. We call this bruxism. B-R-U-X-I-S-M, bruxism. And bruxism is things other than talking or chewing, normal activities, like clenching or grinding, kind of like Clint Eastwood in Dirty Harry, that clenching situation. And during sleep, that grinds your teeth, and it really damages the jaw joint itself. This can be a huge contributor to headaches and neck pain. So if you are a headache sufferer and you've never had your jaw checked, or if you're a grinder that you know about, or you have a clicky jaw, talk to your chiropractor, talk to your prosthodontist or dentist, and see what can be done about it. It needs to be managed to avoid significant future problems.